Hello, this is February the 20th. It's just about 1 o'clock, maybe 12:30, something like that. Just wanted to fill you in what's been going on. We've had a lot going on here recently, and this is just a little bit of a show and tell. Andreas is doing the wiring right now, which is very time consuming and very difficult, and you want to get it absolutely right and not have to do it again. So that's where we're at on that. Let me just give you a quick walk by of it. We've mocked up a body on it. It's not perfect, but it gives us a visual idea of what the hell it can look like and where we'll be on it. Let me just kind of sneak in here so you can see some of the wiring stuff that's going on, and clutch and brakes and everything's all been hooked up, and that's all being made. It's, everything's by hand. So this is where we're at. And we're gonna pop the body off. I just wanted to show you that so I could start priming and doing whatever we have to do there. The engine for the little REO was so far gone that we're using one off of a 25 Oakland, that's right, little Oakland, California. No, it's not from Oakland, California, but if I was from Oakland, California, I'd sure in hell drive one. Anyhow, it's a 25. The engine's quite nice. 6-cylinder, a little larger, but we're keeping this marvelous chassis and transmission and putting everything into it. So it will be a running little racy car. The 3 cars are back so far, the little black Prince and 2 others, and we're waiting for 2 more. Very minimal damage or anything like that. We've got everything cleaned up, the chassis, everything's waiting. The front garage is filled, but we'll completely do everything on it. So just wanted to show you what it looks like, where it's coming from, and we'll keep you informed as to things, where it's going. Have a good day and a fine weekend.